this right here is the latest Apple iPad 9th generation, which is running the state-of-the-art software, and today we'll be unboxing this. So let's start the video. As you can see, right now I'm in the store and this is the box packaging, so I'll be unboxing it first for the Apple Care Plus. And as you can see, opening this up reveals the brand new latest piece of tech. And check this out, here comes the most satisfying part. Hey guys, what's up? You're watching Mr. Fun and I'm Namai. In this video, I've got a brand new iPad and today we'll be unboxing that. As you can see, I broke the latches in the Apple store itself. So I did that, for the warranty and all that stuff. But guys, check that out, the pristine brand new piece of tech. And I'm just taking it out, and guys, this time Apple has implemented 100% paper packaging, which means no use of plastic, supposedly to save the environment. That is designed by Apple in California. And in this we get Apple stickers, a user manual, quick start guide and stuff like that, and that's the thing. And of course, here we have, as mentioned earlier, my favorite Apple stickers. And then after that we have the accessories. Thankfully we get accessories with the iPad. This is the 20-watt fast charger along with a USB type C to lightning cable, just like that. And of course guys, it goes without mentioning how nice the quality is, and we don't get anything else in the box. And this is the back side. I'm not showing it completely, because of the IMEI number and stuff, but yeah, that's the whole thing. That's the packaging. Now let's keep this aside and talk about the Apple Pencil right there. This is the thing. So if you want a detailed unboxing, I will post a video soon if you want that. And so now let's power it on for the first time, and here we are greeted with this. Let's just turn the screen, and then now I'll just set it up really quickly. I'll press the home button, select the language, and do other formalities and log into my Apple account. And then after that, my iPad is all set up and ready to go. So guys, as you can see, my iPad is all set up now, and I can just grab the pencil and just take notes and all that stuff. I can do all that, and so basically it's a really nice device. Of course, you can hop onto settings and then use the gestures and all to control the device. So it's pretty much all set up, and of course this is magnetic. And guys, the Apple Pencil is also magnetic, which means it can stick to either side of the iPad. Yeah, it was a nice experience setting this up because it was really easy to do. But this was just a really short video of the unboxing. Overall, the iPad OS 15.1 is like butter, and all the animations are great, and it really feels really interactive, and Siri also works great. I also installed some apps and did some quick sketching, for which I originally bought it. Plus their own app, which is the Notes, is also quite nice. So as you can see, pretty responsive, and of course this has the palm rejection, so as I place my hand and also the pencil, it would only recognize the pencil and not my hand, which would actually avoid any unnecessary touches. So this is just there are just a few features. And so one main concern, if you're buying this, to apply a matte screen protector in order to not get these fingerprints. So I'll just do that. But apart from that, let's talk about the physical overview. So of course this is the fingerprint reader, and this right here is the power off and power on button, as you can see, just like that. And then here we have the volume rockers, so let's turn them on like that, and we can just use that, and it's unlocked. It says unlocked up top. Unlock it just like that. And then we have the other widgets around here and all that stuff, which you've already seen, and this is set to dark mode. Anyway, let's turn this over, and here we have the Apple logo, the iPad branding right there, the camera and the microphone. And guys, the front camera and also the back camera is surprisingly great. Now let's talk about that. So as you can see right there guys, this is the front camera, and this is a really awesome zoom capabilities, and also the front camera, which I'll show in a second. And as you can see, there are various modes, and for a tablet this is great because a variety of modes here. And guys, an iPad is hands down way better than any other Android tablet out there, for the price and also for the performance. So as you can see, there were two inbuilt sketching apps, which were the Pages and the Notes, in which you could sketch, but I decided to go with my old and trusty sketchbook. So that's the thing, and that's the whole thing. So that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. In the next video I'll be installing the screen protector, and I'll also be unboxing this pencil officially, and then we'll also be discussing a couple of other accessories. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.